In Brightspace, you can create one submission folder per assignment. This creates a submission folder where students can hand in files. Go to Activities and then to Assignments. Here you will find an overview of all assignments. To create a new assignment, click on New Assignment. First, enter a clear title and add instructions about the assignment. You can also add a video by clicking on Record Video, or add a different type of attachment by clicking on Add Attachment here. If you scroll down a little, you can indicate whether this is an individual or a group assignment. You can select the group category for a group assignment, for which this assignment is intended. You can also change the settings for the type of submission, for example, a file or a text, or an assignment that was given outside of Brightspace. How many files students can hand in at a time, and what happens to all submissions made by students in this submission folder. The default settings are correct for most scenarios. If you intend to create multiple assignments, it's useful to categorize them. You can create categories based on summative and formative assignments. You can also create your own categories by clicking on New Category here. Make sure it is clear for students and that they don't get confused when they open the assignment overview. You can configure the evaluation under Evaluation and Feedback. Enter 10 under Score Out of. This is a mandatory field in Brightspace. However, the actual results displayed depends on the grade item. You can link a previously created grade item here, or you can create a new one from this screen. Enter a clear title, for example, the same as the name of the assignment, so that students know immediately what the result belongs to. Scroll down a little to adjust the grade scheme. Here you can set how the result is displayed in the student's grade list. Choose, for example, a score from 1 to 10 with 1 decimal. This is set by default. Or a score from 1 to 10 without decimals. You can also choose a word assessment, such as sufficient or insufficient. These views are taken directly from the OER. When you have finished setting the grade item, click Save. The grade is now displayed in the student's grade list. You can now link an existing rubric to an assignment if you have created it and want to use it. Or you can create one by clicking on Create Rubric in New Window. A new screen opens in which you can create a new rubric. If the result is determined by a specific rubric, you can select this under Default Scoring Rubric. Your assignment is now ready. If you want, you can go to the Restrictions tab at the top of the page. Here you can make the assignment visible so that all users can access it, including all of your students. You can also enter a due date or assignment deadline here. The assignment will now appear in the student's calendar. Click on Save and Close to complete your assignment.